performance-focused smartphones have long been a cornerstone of the tech industry, catering to users who seek power and efficiency in their devices. The Honor GT series aims to deliver top-notch performance within a budget, providing users with a feeling of achieving a grand slam in terms of value and features. After being absent from the market for 4 years, this well-known series has made a comeback. Today, we delve into the Honor GT to determine if it lives up to its promises. Hi everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Honor GT's white-colored box. First, we remove the plastic wrap. On the top of the box, you'll see the GT branding. We'll keep the phone aside for now and check the box contents. Inside, there's a 100-watt power adapter with a Type-A output and a data cable. Now let's talk about the phone's design and build. The Honor GT is available in 3 striking colors: Phantom Black, Crystal Ice White, and a unique silver-themed variant. The model we reviewed, Crystal Ice White, exudes a sleek and futuristic vibe. A prominent stripe runs along the back, blending seamlessly with the phone's robust build and symmetrical design. The camera module, accentuated with a bold red stripe on the lower right corner, underscores its emphasis on speed and performance, giving it a sporty, dynamic look. The Honor GT boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a sharp resolution of 1200 by 26664 pixels. With peak brightness reaching an impressive 4000 nits under specific conditions, the screen ensures excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. Designed with user well-being in mind, the display reduces blue light exposure and flickering, making it comfortable for extended use. This thoughtful approach reflects Honor's commitment to combining performance with user care. The display also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth animations and gameplay. Its 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage provides vibrant and accurate colors, making it ideal for gaming, browsing, and media consumption. Including 2V Rhineland certified blue light reduction and 3840Hz PWM dimming, further enhance visual comfort during nighttime usage. Marking its return to the performance segment, the Honor GT is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This flagship processor ensures exceptional gaming stability and overall fluidity. Complementing this power is a cutting-edge 3D natural thermal management system that keeps the phone cool under heavy use, ensuring consistent peak performance. In real-world tests, the Honor GT proved its mettle. When playing Honor of Kings, a popular mobile game, the device maintained an average frame rate of 119.67 FPS over 30 minutes, consuming just 4.7 watts of power. The temperature stayed stable at 39.5 degrees Celsius, showcasing its efficiency and ability to deliver a flagship-level gaming experience. Similarly, in the demanding Genshin Impact, the phone averaged 60.29 FPS at the highest settings, consuming 7.37 watts of power with temperatures hovering around 41.6 degrees Celsius. The advanced cooling system ensures the device remains cool and stable, making it a reliable choice for gamers. Beyond raw power, the Honor GT offers tailored gaming optimizations. It features advanced touch response technology co-developed with Honor of Kings, enabling precise controls during intense gameplay. Whether executing quick maneuvers or casting spells, the touch experience is seamless and responsive. A standout feature is the AI-driven touch calibration, which ensures smooth performance even with a screen protector. Unlike some devices where tempered glass interferes with touch sensitivity, the Honor GT maintains optimal responsiveness, catering to gamers who prefer added screen protection. Equipped with a robust 5300 mAh battery, the Honor GT provides extended usage for power users. In our gaming tests, the phone retained 71% battery after 2 hours of continuous play, highlighting its impressive efficiency. The 100-watt fast-charging technology is another major highlight, taking the battery from 0% to 100% in just 31 minutes. This combination of long-lasting battery life and quick charging ensures users can enjoy their device with minimal downtime. While the Honor GT is primarily a gaming powerhouse, its camera system offers impressive capabilities. The phone features a professional-grade camera setup, including a portrait mode that delivers detailed photos with natural depth. The flagship Eagle Eye feature ensures high-quality still photography, making it suitable for everyday snapshots and creative endeavors. Despite its gaming focus, the Honor GT doesn't compromise on photography, offering versatility for users who want more from their device. Running on an updated operating system, The Honor GT emphasizes user customization and intuitive interactions. The new Magic Lock Screen feature allows users to create personalized wallpapers using AI. For example, a simple photo can be transformed into multiple artistic styles with a single tap. The system also provides deep customization for icons, widgets, and the interface, allowing users to tailor their experience. AI capabilities have been enhanced, with intelligent fraud detection as a notable feature. This system helps identify potential scams, adding an extra layer of security for users in an increasingly AI-driven world. The Honor GT's robust design aligns with its performance-centric identity. Metallic accents and a symmetrical layout lend it a premium feel, while the compact form factor ensures comfort during extended use. The sporty red accent on the camera module adds a touch of flair, hinting at the power beneath its sleek exterior. The design successfully balances aesthetics with functionality, making the phone visually appealing and practical. The Honor GT marks a triumphant return to the performance-focused market. Its blend of cutting-edge hardware, gaming-specific features, and user-friendly design makes it a standout in its category. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and equipped with an advanced cooling system, the device delivers speed, stability, and efficiency. The eye-friendly AMOLED display, fast-charging battery, and versatile camera system further enhance its appeal. For gamers and performance enthusiasts, the Honor GT offers an unmatched experience. At the same time, its emphasis on eye care, customization, and stylish design ensures it appeals to a broader audience. If you're in the market for a high-performance smartphone that delivers on all fronts, the Honor GT is a compelling option.